rate of convergence. Before starting the further video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Let us start now. Rate of convergence. If the sequence Pn n equals to 0 to infinity converges to a value. So the sequence is converging to a value. What is the value here? P. With Pn not equals to P for all n, and there exist two positive constants. So how many positive constants here? Two positive constants. What are those positive constants here? Alpha and lambda. These are the two positive constants here. So such that limit n tends to infinity, mod Pn plus 1 minus P by mod Pn minus P whole power alpha, which is equals to lambda, where alpha means here order of convergence, lambda equals to asymptotic error constant. So here alpha is order of convergence and lambda is asymptotic error constant. Here generally what happens, the sequence with a higher order converges more rapidly than the sequence with a lower order. So there are four conditions here. First condition, if alpha equals to 1 and lambda is less than 1, the sequence is said to be linearly convergent. If this alpha equals to 1 and lambda less than 1, then we can say that the sequence is linearly convergent. Next, second condition, if alpha equals to 1, lambda equals to 0, the sequence is said to be superlinearly convergent. So here alpha equals to 1 and lambda equals to 0, then it is said to be superlinearly convergent. Next, third condition, if alpha equals to 2, alpha equals to here 2, the sequence is said to be quadratically convergent. So then we can say the sequence is quadratically convergent if alpha equals to 2. Now next condition, fourth condition, if alpha equals to 3, the sequence is said to be cubic convergence. So if alpha equals to 3, then the sequence is said to be cubic convergence. Now let us discuss few sums based on rate of convergence. So here what is given? Show that the following sequence converge linearly to P equals to 0 and how large must n be before. So what is given here? Mod Pn minus P less than or equals to 5 into 10 power minus 2. So here one bit is given. Pn equals to 1 by n, comma n greater than or equals to 1. So solution given. What is given? Pn equals to how much? 1 by n. Then Pn plus 1 equals to 1 by n plus 1. Now what we are considering here? Linearly convergence means what is the formula here? Limit n tends to infinity, mod Pn plus 1 minus P by mod Pn minus P whole power alpha. Linearly convergent means alpha equals to 1. So mod Pn minus P whole power 1 by mod Pn minus P, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity, mod what is Pn plus 1? 1 by n plus 1 minus P means here what is given in the question? P equals to 0. So minus 0 by mod what is Pn here? 1 by n minus P means 0, which is equals to now limit n tends to infinity, mod 1 by n plus 1. 1 by n plus 1 minus 0 means 1 by n plus 1 by 1 by mod 1 by n minus 0 means 1 by n, mod 1 by n, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Now this can be written as n by limit n tends to infinity, n by n plus 1. So here as n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So now this can be written as limit 1 by n tends to 0, n by n into, now here we are taking n common, n into 1 plus 1 by n. Now this both n's are cancelled. Now which is equals to limit 1 by n tends to 0. So here after cancelling both the n's, what is remaining here? 1 by 1 plus 1 by n, which is equals to here limit 1 by n tends to 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0, which is equals to 1 by 1. which is equals to 1. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn mod Pn minus P equals to how much here? 1. Therefore, the sequence is linearly convergent. So, what is given in the question? Mod Pn minus P less than or equals to 5 into 10 power minus 2. This is given in the question. Now, what is Pn here? Pn means 1 by n minus P means 0. Less than or equals to 5 into 10 power minus 2 means 0.05. So, that implies here mod 1 by n minus 0 means mod 1 by n, which is less than or equals to 0.05 can be written as 5 by 100. So, 5 ones are 5 20s are. So, that implies here mod 1 by n is less than or equals to 1 by 20. Now, that implies here n is greater than or equals to 20. So, this is the solution. Next sum, if the sequence Pn is superlinearly convergent to P, show that limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus Pn by mod Pn minus P, which is equals to 1. So, here solution, the sequence Pn is said to be superlinearly convergent to P if limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus P by mod Pn minus P equals to 0. So, this is about superlinearly convergent. Now, consider what is given in the question. Limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus Pn by mod Pn minus P, which is equals to, this can be written as now limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1. Here we are subtracting and adding P minus P plus P minus Pn by Pn minus P. Now, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus P. We are taking here minus common, minus Pn minus into plus minus Pn minus P by mod Pn minus P as it is, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Now, in this step we are taking whole minus common, mod whole minus Pn minus P, Pn minus P minus Pn plus 1 minus P by mod Pn minus P as it is. Now, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. So, this minus goes out of the mod. Now, mod Pn minus P minus Pn plus 1 minus P by mod Pn minus P, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Now, we have to take whole mod Pn minus P mod Pn minus P by Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn minus P. So, this can be written as limit n tends to infinity mod Pn minus P by, now we have to separate this, Pn minus P minus Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn minus P. So, this Pn minus P and this Pn minus P both are cancelled here, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. So, what is remaining here? 1 minus mod 1 minus Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn minus P, which is equals to, we have to take this 1 outside, 1 minus limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn minus P. So, which is equals to 1 minus. So, as we discussed about superlinearly convergent, as P is superlinearly converges, then limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus P by Pn minus P equals to 0. So, here 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus Pn by mod Pn minus P equals to how much here? 1. This is the solution. Next sum, show that the sequence Pn equals to 10 power minus n power k does not converge to 0 quadratically regardless of the size of the exponent k greater than 1. Now solution, what is given here? Pn equals to 10 power minus n power k. Then Pn plus 1 equals to, then Pn plus 1 can be written as Pn plus 1 equals to 10 power minus n plus 1 whole power k. So now assume the sequence converges quadratically to 0. Now what we are assuming here? Sequence converges quadratically to 0. Quadratically to 0 means that is p equals to 0 and alpha equals to 2. Quadratically means what we have to consider here? Consider limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus p by mod Pn minus p whole square. So here alpha means what here? 2. So in the place of alpha what we have to substitute? 2, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Pn plus 1 means what here? Mod 10 power minus n plus 1 whole power k minus p means 0, minus 0 by mod, what is Pn here? 10 power minus n power k minus p means 0, minus 0 whole square, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity mod 10 power minus n plus 1 whole power k by mod 10 power minus n power k whole square. So which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. So here 10 power minus n plus 1 whole power k by, now we have to take 10 power minus n into 2, 2n power k, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. So this 10 power minus 2n power k goes upside down. So 10 power 2n power k into 10 power n minus n plus 1 whole power k as it is, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Now when the bases are same, we have to add the powers. So limit n tends to infinity 10 power 2n power k minus plus into minus minus here minus n plus 1 whole power k. So which is equals to here infinity, n tends to infinity, which is equals to infinity. Therefore the sequence does not converges quadratically to 0. This is the solution. Next sum, construct a sequence that converges to 0 of order 3. So here let the sequence be Pn equals to 10 power minus 3 power n. So that implies here Pn plus 1 equals to 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1. Since the sequence converges to 0 of order 3, then alpha equals to 3, p comma p equals to 0. So now consider limit n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 minus p by mod Pn minus p power alpha, which is equals to n tends to infinity mod Pn plus 1 means 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1 minus p means here 0 by mod 10 power minus 3 power n minus p means what here 0 power 3 alpha means what here 3, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity mod 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1 by mod 10 power minus 3 power n power 3, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 into, now we have to take this 3 inside, 3 into 3 power n, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1. Here bases are same, we have to add the powers. So 3 power 1 plus 1 n plus 1. So now here 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 power n plus 1. Both will be cancelled. So what is remaining here? It equals to limit n tends to infinity. Both are cancelled means here 1, which is equals to 1. So therefore the sequence Pn equals to 10 power minus 3 power n converges to 0 of order 3. This is the solution.